Here's a feature known as Wi-Fi scan throttling, which can be found on many Android phones out there. This here is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 phone with Android 15. You'll need to enter into developer options to find this feature and turn it on. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go into your settings of your Xiaomi phone. You can look for this here or use the quick access and look for this here. Tap on it one time and you'll be here. Next up, you want to go to where it says My Device. Now that you're here, you're going to look for where it says OS version, this right here, the OS version. If you don't see it in this area here, you can also go into detailed info and specs right here. And it should also be there as well, if in case you don't see it the first time. Now, once you see it either here or over here, you will want to tap on it 7 times to activate developer options. So go ahead and do that now, and you'll see it tells you how many more steps left before. And it's going to tell you you're now in developer mode here. Now, if you have your lock screen set up with a PIN, password, or a code, it may prompt you to enter that in before proceeding to developer mode. And once you do that, it'll take you back here. And once you're back here, you want to come out of here and go into the search bar here where it says search settings and type in developer options. So go ahead and type that in and you'll see it there as a suggestion. And once you see it here, tap on it once, it'll take you to developer options. If it's off, go ahead and turn it on. And now that you're here, you will go down and look for that feature we saw earlier. It is going to be part of the networking feature. So you'll see how it says debugging here. You're going to look for network. So go down, and once you see network, you're very close. So keep going down. So you see networking right here. So it's in this area here. And this is where you'll see Wi-Fi scan throttling. Now that you're here, you can go ahead and turn that on. In most cases, it might be turned on already, but for some of us, it might be off. And this is going to be very useful to reduce battery draining as well as improving network performance. And of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.